Hey, how you doing? It's Darren here again, and I'm in our cute little south of San Antonio downtown house here. And again, remember, this is a 1925 build, little 2-1 and 660 square feet. And we're going to try to open this house up to make it a little more flow friendly, if you will. But anyway, so I've been in here and I've been ripping apart this pantry, and the pantry came up to about here. You might recall from a previous video that there was like a door, a small pantry door here with a couple shelves in here. And so I've just been pulling this apart, and everything up here was basically wasted space. So this was all just boxed in, not being used for anything. On the other side of this is a closet, and so we are going to be pushing right through that closet. But I just thought it'd be interesting to pause for a second and show you all of the different layers that we have going on here. You can see what nearly 100 years of construction and also remodeling will do to a house. So starting from the top, so we have this lovely paneling, and I don't know when this was put on, probably in the 70s or 80s, likely, but then it's trimmed out on top of that, right? If you go underneath that, which I did over here, then you get down to this awesome shiplap, which is probably, you know, way older than that, you know, probably pushing from when this house was built. This little kitchen area was an addition on the house, so it's probably not the original wall, but still within that same time period. So 1925, probably a few years sooner than that. But then here we are behind the sink. This is where the cabinets were, and you can see there's all these different planks on the back here. You know, this of course today would be all drywalled with insulation behind it, so I'll likely have to pull this off, maybe, and put some insulation behind it and drywall it. It'll get drywalled regardless. But then here, this is where the oven was, and again, this was covered by this cool paneling before, and I pulled this off, and there's all this awesome shiplap here as well. So I'm going to do my best to save some of that and reuse it wherever I can. But inside this pantry on the back of the closet here, you can see that we have a layer of shiplap here for sure. But then behind that, you have these awesome, these look like 1x12s, you know, probably true to their measurement, you know, old growth, probably cedar. You know, it's hard to get wood like this now, and it's just awesome long straight planks. So I'll try to do my best to repurpose these as well. And then of course behind that we've got, you know, modern day drywall, which goes into the closet. So, and here's kind of a cross section of what you've got here from outward to inward. So there's your drywall, you got a layer of shiplap, some planks of some sort, and then, you know, some other planks that are opposing the other wall. So it's certainly interesting to see basically a timeline of what's done to build, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna keep on going here, and I'll send you another video showing what happens when we bust through this. Thanks.